Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Lyra Daily English, where you learn real-life English in a simple and fun way.
Hi guys, I'm Leo.
And I'm Lyra. We're so happy you're here with us again.
In today's episode, we're talking about something everyone has, evening routines.
Yes, after a long day, everyone spends their evening differently. Some people relax, some stay busy, and some just do nothing.
Doing nothing is also important.
Exactly. And today, we'll share 4 real-life stories about how different people spend their evenings.
Let's get started. Story 1. The Busy Office Worker.
Our first story is about Anna. She works in an office and usually finishes work at 6 p.m.
After work, she feels tired, but still has many things to do.
When she gets home, the first thing she does is change into comfortable clothes.
Same here. That's the best feeling.
Then she prepares a simple dinner. She doesn't cook anything complicated, just something quick, like noodles or rice with vegetables.
After dinner, she checks her phone and watches short videos for about 30 minutes.
But she tries not to spend too much time on her phone.
Good habit.
Later, she takes a shower and listens to soft music.
That sounds relaxing.
Before going to bed, she reads a book for about 15 minutes.
So even though she is busy, she still finds time to relax.
Now let's talk about Kevin, a university student.
Kevin usually finishes his classes in the afternoon, but his evening is still very busy.
When he gets home, he takes a short rest first.
Then he starts doing his homework and assignments.
Sometimes he studies alone, and sometimes he joins online study groups with his friends.
That's helpful. Studying with friends can make learning more fun.
Yes, but sometimes they talk too much instead of studying.
That's true. After studying, Kevin usually has dinner with his family.
Then he spends some time playing games or watching YouTube.
But he tries to sleep before midnight, especially when he has an early class the next day. Our third story is about Maria, a stay-at-home mom.
Her evening routine is very different.
Yes, in the evening, she is usually very busy taking care of her children.
She prepares dinner for the whole family.
After dinner, she helps her kids with their homework.
That takes a lot of patience.
Definitely. Then she cleans the kitchen and organizes the house.
Does she get any free time?
A little. After her kids go to bed, she finally has time for herself.
What does she do?
She likes to watch her favorite TV shows or chat with her friends online.
That's nice. Even a short break can make a big difference.
Our last story is about James, who loves fitness.
His evening routine is very active.
After work, he goes straight to the gym.
He spends about 1 to 2 hours exercising.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, but he enjoys it. It helps him stay healthy and reduce stress.
After the gym, he goes home and prepares a healthy meal.
Usually something like chicken, salad, or a smoothie.
Very healthy lifestyle.
After dinner, he takes a shower and sometimes watches motivational videos.
Then he goes to bed early to wake up fresh the next day.
So, Leo, which evening routine do you like the most?
I think I like James's routine. It's healthy and active.
That's true, but it's also a bit tiring.
Yeah, maybe I'll choose Anya's routine instead.
More realistic, right?
What about you?
I like a mix. Sometimes I want to relax, and sometimes I want to be productive.
That's normal. Everyone's routine is different.
Yes, and there is no perfect routine. The best routine is the one that makes you feel happy and comfortable.
All right, everyone. That's all for today's episode.
We hope you enjoyed these real-life evening stories and learned some new English expressions.
Try to think about your own evening routine in English.
Yes, you can practice by saying, "In the evening, I usually..."
Keep practicing every day.
Don't forget to subscribe to Lyra Daily English for more simple and useful English lessons.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.